Welcome to Easy English Chunks. Today's English chunk is I have. This chunk is useful because we say it when we own something or when something belongs to us. Here are example sentences. I have a blue backpack. I have a little dog. I have a new phone. Now listen and repeat. I have time today. I have 2 brothers. I have a question. I have an idea. I have a busy day. Here is a challenge for you. Make your own sentence with I have. Write your sentence in the comments. Ask questions at any time. There is extra practice in another video. Look for it on the channel. Great job. See you next time.